Hey guys, so I thought I would give you a little tutorial on how I do Sam's hair. This is going to be short and easy and quick.
No.
So I wet my hands a little bit because this guy's hair is wonderful, but it sticks in all directions. So I just wet down these spots and give him a snack so that he lets me do his hair. Okay. Then that'll kind of dry. I use this Original Sprouts. I just get it off Amazon as gel. It's like really light. It's not too sticky. But I never put it on wet hair. So I'm just taking a little bit like that. And I just work it through. His hair's still a little wet, and just for like, oops, sorry. Just for the sake of just for the sake of time, I'm just sorry. I'm sorry. And then I'm going to take what's left on my hands and kind of get these parts down. I love his hair crazy. It's a mess right now. I love his hair crazy. But some of these spots just need a little help. Do you look handsome?
This is not good.
It's not good? Or is it just messy? What do you think? So, yeah, can you look for a second? Look for a second, show them your hair. So yeah, that's basically all I do. And I call it good. And that's about all I have time for anyways, because he's very much done.
That's by messy.
Can you say bye? Bye.